Now, if you want to edit any photos or images, like before, you don't need good knowledge in editing or editing software. Now, one of the prominent AI tools is Grok AI. With Grok AI only, if you want to edit any image, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to edit any image with Grok AI. For this, you need to install the Grok application. It's available in the App Store and Play Store. Anyway, after that, open Grok. And when you're opening Grok, here you can see the Edit Image option. If you're not able to see this edit image on the first page, here you can see the Imagine option. Click on Imagine, and when you're clicking on that, here you can see a button like this. Just click on this button. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the Edit Image option. Click on Edit Image. And when you're clicking on that, you'll reach your gallery. From the gallery, select the photo which you want to edit. For example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, click on this Add button. And when you're clicking on that, that photo will be added. And here you need to type what changes you want. For example, I'm typing remove shoes and click on the Send button. When you're clicking on that, Grok AI will edit that photo for you. Now here you can see that the shoes are removed and other things they didn't change. Those things they've kept exactly the same. But only the changes I told were made. Likewise, you can do any editing in this photo, and sometimes you may want to add another photo to this photo. That means you need to blend those photos. In that case, click on this button and you'll reach your gallery. From the gallery, select the photo you want to blend. For example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, click on this Add button and type where you want to add this photo. After that, click on this Send button. When you're clicking on that editing will also be made. Now, here you can see that the editing is done. So, two photos are blended together. So, with Grok, if you want to make any changes in any photo, you can do that, or if you want to blend two photos, you can do that also. So, this way you can easily edit any photos using Grok. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.